We are a small Danish company who called Gubi. We are doing a lot in the plate industry, all kind of wagons for the farming industry. We have development and bale wagon with hydraulic securing of the bales. The Gubi company is very flexible. All the employees, they can bend and saw and weld. I'm doing the nesting, I'm doing the drawings for the welders, I'm taking care of customers. I have made a lot of investment in machines to improve the speed and quality of the products. We were by Øjeblik in 2016, where we saw the Voortman machine. Then we come to the experience center, and by that moment I was sold, I think. I caught a lot of 10mm plate, and with the old machine I could go 250mm per minute. Now I go 2007, so that's a big difference. I have bought a high definition plasma with a bevel head, 2 Oxy-fuel torches, because we are making a lot of the same pieces on one plate, and that increased the speed a lot. That's also nice when the table are 6 meters long. When we in the other end are cutting, we are in the other end taking off and laying new plates on the table. And the rails are not so high, so we can also put on plates with a big forklift. That's also one of the big things why we made the investment of the Voortman. Before I bought the Voortman machine, I was buying some stuff that was laser cut, but now I can cut that by myself. The service was also on top, and that is very important when you are buying a machine that has to go a 12-hour a day. A few days after the installation, I ran on full production. Right now we are selling 90% in Denmark, but we are hoping to come out in the wide world to sell our products.